sparks you throw my way.
हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं पिक्चर परफेक्ट मेकअप। तो जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
guys like this video. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment और like ज़रूर करें। अब मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। Till then, take care, bye bye.